Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using the Trip.com app and want to switch the temperature scale from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make that change step by step on your Android phone. Let's get started. Open the Trip.com app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the Account section. In the Account section, tap the Settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option labeled Temperature Scale. Tap on it to open the setting. You will see two options, Fahrenheit and Celsius. Choose Celsius to make the switch. Finally, your app will now display all temperature-related information in Celsius. That's it. Thanks for watching this quick guide on changing the temperature scale in the Trip.com app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful travel and tech tips every week.